Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee in a French press. First, gather your coarse ground coffee and fresh water. Heat your water to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit, which is just off the boil. Measure your coffee, aiming for a ratio of 1 part coffee to 15 parts water. This ensures a rich, flavorful brew every time. Let's get started on the brewing process. Now, add your measured coarse ground coffee into the bottom of your French press. Slowly pour the hot water over the grounds, making sure they are all fully saturated. Give it a gentle stir to ensure even extraction. Place the lid on top, but do not press the plunger down yet. Let the coffee steep for exactly 4 minutes to develop its full flavor. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Quick recommendation. Just like a good cup of coffee helps you focus, the new Kindle Paperwhite lets you read anywhere, anytime. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books. Check the description below for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After 4 minutes, it's time to press. Gently and steadily push the plunger all the way down, separating the grounds from your delicious coffee. Once pressed, immediately pour all the coffee into your favorite mug or a serving carafe. Do not let it sit in the French press, as it will continue to extract and become bitter. Enjoy your perfect cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.